Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing an alien from Toy Story. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's draw a large curve across the top. And then let's curve it down and in underneath. And then a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw the eyes. At the top, let's draw an oval in the center. And then add a circle inside. And let's color this in black. Now on top of the eye, let's add a curve up and around. And a smaller curve underneath. Now we're going to hop out and we're going to draw two more eyes with ovals on an angle. And then let's hop in and let's draw circles for the pupils. And color these both in black. And again, let's hop on top and let's draw a curve up and around. And then a smaller curve underneath. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and draw the mouth. We'll start with a curve up in the center. And then let's curve it out on each side. Now underneath, let's add a curve down and back up. And another curve underneath. And lastly, let's hop to the ends and let's add a small bump on each side. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and draw the ears. Let's start on each side and let's draw a curve up. And then let's bring it down and curve it up at the bottom. Now let's hop inside each ear and let's draw a point up at the top. Then let's bring it down. And a small bump at the bottom. And that's it for the ears. Now let's move on top of the head and let's draw two lines up in the center. And then add a circle at the top. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. We'll start with two bumps down. And then a curve across. Now underneath, let's draw two curves down for the side of the body. And then a curve across the bottom. Now inside the shirt, we're going to draw the planet logo. let's start with a curve up on an angle and back in, leaving it open in the center. And then let's do the same thing around underneath. Now in the center, for the planet, let's draw a curve up. And continue it underneath with a curve below. Now let's add some circles inside. And that's it for the shirt. Now underneath, let's add the belt. Let's add a small bump down on each side. And then a curve across. Now inside the belt, let's draw 2 lines down in the center. Next, let's hop underneath and draw the legs. Let's add a curve down and in on each side. Now from each end, we're going to curve it up and bring it down towards the center. And then a line up in the middle. Now for the feet, let's draw a small line down in the center, and then a curve down on each side. And then let's curve it back in to close off each foot. And that's it for the legs. Now we're going to hop back up and add the arms. On the left side, let's draw 2 curves up. And let's close it off at the end. Now from the top, let's add the first finger with a bump up, then a longer finger next to it, and one more on the side. And then let's curve it back in. Now let's hop over, and for the right arm, let's draw 2 curves down. And then a curve across. Now for this hand, let's add a bump out for the first finger, and a longer one going down. Now let's add another bump next to it, and curve it back up. And that's it for this alien. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!